High-stakes apology emails for B2B outages professional English. Crisis emails aren't about sounding sorry. They're about rebuilding trust fast. Your mission is to calm the reader and prove you're in control. Keep language clear, calm, and specific so people instantly know what's happening and what you're doing. Show control by naming actions, empathy by recognizing impact, and next steps so customers know what to expect. Imagine your service failed during peak hours. Instead of fluff, say, "We identified a database failure at 9:12 Coordinated Universal Time. Checkout is impacted. We're switching to a standby cluster. Next update in 30 minutes." That tone restores confidence quickly. Your subject line should be transparent and scannable. Lead with clarity, like Service Outage Update. Add a time frame or region for instant filtering. EU Login Degradation, 1400 to 1530 Coordinated Universal Time. This helps on-call teams and executives prioritize. Avoid blame or hype. No critical disaster. Or, it's not our fault. Stay neutral and precise, so inbox skimmers grasp severity and scope at a glance. Good. API latency. North America. Investigating. Better. API latency. NA. Mitigating. Next update. 2030 Coordinated Universal Time. Clear subject lines lower anxiety and set an honest tone. Start with ownership and facts. State what happened and when you discovered it. At 10:18 Coordinated Universal Time, we detected elevated error rates on the payments API. Acknowledge impact in plain terms. Customers may see failed checkouts and duplicate charges. Take responsibility without hedging or excuses. This is on us. We misconfigured a deployment and triggered a database failover. Avoid passive voice and vague phrasing. The goal is to answer the reader's first questions in the first lines. What broke? When? Does it affect me? Who's accountable? That clarity invites trust and reduces support tickets. Give crisp essentials so customers can assess risk. Scope. Specify affected services, regions, and any SLAs at risk. Example. Impact limited to EU region. Webhooks delayed. 99.9% uptime SLA at risk for April. Timeline. Include incident start, detection, and ETA if available. Began 9:42. Detected 9:51. Mitigation underway. ETA for recovery 11 o'clock to 11:30 Coordinated Universal Time. Current status. Label clearly, investigation, mitigation, or recovery, and say what that means. Mitigation. Traffic shifted to standby. Error rates declining. Precision helps ops teams plan and reassures stakeholders you're methodical. Empathy is not filler. It acknowledges real costs. Validate disruption and downstream effects. We know this blocked invoices and may delay your cash flow and reporting. Use plain English and avoid acronyms unless essential. Swap P95 latency due to GC thrash for high response times while we fix memory issues. Keep it brief but warm. We're sorry for the disruption and the extra work this creates for your team. Respect shows in tone. Confident, never defensive, and focused on customer outcomes. The right words reduce frustration and invite productive collaboration. Give people something useful to do now. Provide immediate steps. Pause retries to avoid duplicates. Or switch to Sandbox for testing until recovery. Share your mitigation actions and monitoring. We've rolled back the release, diverted traffic to healthy nodes, and are tracking error rates every 5 minutes. Offer a clear ETA if you have one, and always give a next scheduled update time. Next update at 16:45 Coordinated Universal Time or sooner if status changes. Actionable guidance turns anxiety into control and helps teams reduce damage while you fix the root issue. Show how you'll make customers whole. Outline SLA credits or refunds and the simplest way to claim them. Credits will apply automatically to affected accounts. Contact billing for exceptions. Commit to a post-mortem with a date. We'll share a full incident report by Friday, 12 o'clock, Coordinated Universal Time with prevention steps. Provide priority support channels for ongoing issues. For urgent cases, reply to this email or contact priority support with your account ID. This demonstrates accountability beyond the fix, repairing both the service and the relationship. Before sending, tighten the message. Use bulleted clarity and short paragraphs so readers can scan on mobile. Keep timestamps consistent and include time zones, all times UTC. Remove hedging, blame, and jargon. Keep the tone steady and factual. End with a clear signature from an accountable owner. Alex Chen, Incident Commander, Site Reliability. This signals leadership and a single point of contact. A clean structure and professional close make your update look reliable, and that reliability is what customers remember.